Hi, guys. So occasionally I have reason to wash beanies, and to dry them, I do sometimes put them on a milk container. So that's a gallon milk container. I happen to keep these gallon milk containers on my bathroom counter because I put trash in them. I've made other videos about that. I made one recently, but they also do they do a good job. I just washed this beanie. In fact, I found this beanie on a walk, and it was somewhat dirty, so I hand washed it in the bathroom sink, and then I draped it over this milk container. This is, here in the US we call it a gallon milk container. It's about 3.75 liters, and the shape's pretty good. It's similar to a person's head, I suppose, when the beanie's on it. And I hope, well, it ought to help it dry faster because it spreads it out. I guess, as opposed to sitting flat on a rack. And maybe when you wash something, it can shrink a bit. This might keep it from shrinking. Something else crossed my mind that I wanted to tell you. At any rate, I used to take, when I'd wash something like this, I'd take plastic bags and put them in a ball and put them up inside the item to fill the item to get this effect of having it sort of like being on a human head, so it wouldn't shrink, hopefully, and maybe dry a bit quicker. This container is more convenient because it's just a one step. I just put the beanie down over the container. So I share it with you as an option. I don't know what else a person might wash where this would work. Maybe a hat of some kind. I occasionally wash gloves, and I hadn't thought of this till this morning, but I'm going to try. There's very small milk containers, because I have the same problem with gloves, not wanting them to shrink, wanting to fill them inside when they dry. And I'm going to try getting a smaller container, a milk container, and see if it'll fit up in there to hold the glove open while it dries. Usually I buy the bigger containers. I occasionally buy a small container of milk. This container would be too big for a glove to go down over the top, but a smaller milk container, it might work. I mention it. I would expect to make a video about that sometime down the road, but it's sort of the same topic. If you like these videos, do comment, subscribe, etc., because, well, the comments are interesting to read and can stimulate new ideas for anyone. I mean, when you comment, I think you might stimulate the person you comment to or other people who read the comment, and maybe it helps you too to put your thoughts into words. But also YouTube, I believe, shows the video in better focus, the more engagement it gets. And then also, if I forget something, I'll put it in the comments under the video, or I'll make another video. So yeah, you can go back and look. There's actually trash. I don't think you can see it too well. There's little pieces, there's trash, whatever trash I generate in the bathroom. If it can go into a milk container, I'll put it in there. And I made a video about that a few weeks ago. I can link that and look for that. It's kind of cool. So in this case, the milk container is doing double duty because it's got trash in it, which you can kind of see right there, a little crumpled ball of something, paper or plastic. But it's also drying the beanie. See if you like this and how it works for you. I'm not sure. Maybe the idea would be to have a mannequin head, but I don't have that. Mannequin head to put the beanie on.